All right, welcome back, traders. Doing a surprise Saturday live stream for you guys. We got some nice price action in the altcoins today. I just want to go through some of that. And obviously, we're just going to go through our normal structure that we also normally do on streams. So the fear and greed. Fear and greed back to neutral. All right, so caution. Right, caution. We're back in the neutral territory. I do think we're going to see some of these altcoins just continue to rally, as Bitcoin dominance is now taking a little bit of a dump, right? Rejecting the 21 exponential moving average on the daily. What's going on, sheep? Thanks everybody for joining me on your Saturday. I really do appreciate that. And let's get into into the charts, right? So we have USDT dominance that we looked at, and we got the confirmation of the rising wedge, guys. There it is. We broke the trend line and we made a candle close outside of the trend line. We just confirmed the breakdown, right? So now what we want to see is this 305 level break, and ultimately the target is back down to this bottom, which is the 277 area, which in my opinion is going to send Bitcoin to new all-time highs, and some of these altcoins to go to crazy places as well, right? So it's not exact correlation to where the price is going to be, but it is just the dominance, right, of Tether. So awesome. We're going to look at Bitcoin here real quick. What's doing? It's doing a bunch of nothing today. During the weekends, it really doesn't do too much because the futures market's closed, right? So, what's going on? It's our trader. What's going on, guys? So there it is, right? The falling wedge breakout on Bitcoin. We were talking about this for days. That this was probably going to happen. We got the RSI breakout. We were even showing it here on the chart. You can see the wedge on the chart, right? And there's the RSI break. We got the move, guys. We got the move on Friday. We got confirmation of the breakout. And I do suspect we might get a bit of a back test, right? We're not going to just go straight up. But you can see, actually, on the 4 hour right now, we're just consolidating right under this major resistance area. We are overbought. Okay, this is what I'm saying right now. We're overbought right now on the 4 hour, and we just need that we could just cool off, man. We could just cool off a bit, just consolidate above 45,000, right? Consolidate above 45,000, we're good. That's what we want to see. Consolidation above 45,000. Maybe we make this this right shoulder here, right? If you guys can see what I'm plotting here, it looks like an inverse head and shoulders type of pattern or structure, right? And this would make a lot of sense, right? So something like this, where we got this breakout, now we're going to get this back test, and we could see some sideways price action from Bitcoin until we break this $48,700 area. All right. So just some lower time frame analysis. We're going to go to the higher time frame right now, and you can see we're above the 21 EMA on the weekly chart. So that's super strong. We already know that. Every time Bitcoin is back above the 21 exponential moving average, we go back into an uptrend. All right. Excellent. And as far as the SAR signals go right now, you guys already know this, but we are long on the hourly. We're also long on the 4 hour. So the trend is long right now. Okay. And we covered fear and greed. We're back into neutral territory, which is okay. We were obviously becoming extremely bullish when we were in these fear zones. We were talking about that over and over again on the streams. I know you guys I hope you guys were listening. So cool. If you guys want to join the STP community and are interested in some of the products that we offer, we do have NFTs on sale right now. They come with the utility of a service. So like, let's just say, okay, you don't want to spend too much money, but you do want to be part of what we're doing here at STP. You can get this NFT right here. It's 50% off, 1 year access to the Swing Trade Pros VIP. This is more geared towards the folks that are trading with bots already. So if you're more of a newer trader, if you're more of a newer trader, you might be wanting to look into. I mean, yeah, the SAR indicator is great, right? So this one, half a ETH, but this is a $2,400 value right now. Is at $1,700 with the current ETH price, right? And so this is 1 year access to VIP. And we have a few other other NFTs here that are related. Okay, you guys should check this out. We're gonna go look at the Nupal chart, right? So the Nupal chart is gonna tell us what you guys are asking about, which is when the cycle top's gonna come in. So as you guys can see, we just got this, looks like a double bottom down here, and so bottom and then double bottom here. We're gonna start trekking back up now on the fear and greed, right? So we're just in denial, disbelief area right now. We're fine. We're not in any danger of cycle tops right now. You guys can see when the market gets completely or extremely exuberant, it turns blue. And I'm gonna let the community know once we start to even just turn blue, that is when, guys, we're going to be entering into this period where it's the euphoria stage, okay? And this is when we're gonna start to see maybe a top coming in or forming. Nobody knows exactly where the top's gonna be, all right? I'm gonna say between 120 to 150K. I think that's the target. Conservative target I'm gonna give for Bitcoin. All right. And as you guys can see, that would be close to this 200% retrace area, or really anywhere between this 1618 and 200% retrace. Okay. That's what I got going on right now, guys. This is the target. I know we were talking about like 150 to 250, right? But I think we're going to be coming closer to that 150 target, okay? 130 to 150 target. All right. Plan B says 6 more months on Twitter. I don't know how long of a time period we're looking at, but I'm looking to exit a lot of this stuff towards the end of the year, because that's typically been the pattern. So it should rhyme or repeat itself. Okay. I did buy this coin, guys. If you guys are not part of the alert service, you guys should join it. As you guys know, I specialize in following wedge type of patterns and structures. This is what I am an expert in. Now, I don't really know too much about this project. I'm literally simply trading this project or this coin based off of its pattern, and it may not be a successful trade because it's, maybe it doesn't get a lot of volume. But today it's around 1.2 million. That's enough volume for me to get a spot trade in. So I did buy this coin. I bought it around 0.016 area, so yeah, down a little bit on it. That's all right. And but you can see how the compression of this wedge is taking form, right? And you can see on the oscillators we're about to cross bullish, and no, it's not too crazy. Too crazy actually broke out, man. This thing broke out of the wedge. This is another one that I think you guys should consider a look at. It's a low cap coin. If you guys are looking to take some risk, I think that these are in high value areas for risk taking. This is not financial advice, and always do your own research. But just based off the pattern, it did get the breakout here, and you guys can see we're above this 236 fib extension. It's up 14.6%. Although I don't really like this one because it doesn't get too much volume. But the node wedge is becoming an industry vernacular. Yeah, it should, man. The wedge patterns are a very high success rate type of trade setup to take. All right, the reason why I like this AI coin is because they have like some really good backing, and that's what kind of drove me to make this purchase yesterday. And so I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but you guys can do your own research. But they're backed by Samsung, Wabi, and Fenbushi Capital. Okay, so these two guys, even these three guys right here, you got some China capital involved here. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna fail. It's gonna do something big, and it's a penny, man. I mean, like, what do you want? I mean, the wedge target is up here at 30 cents. You guys listening? There's a potential 30x opportunity, 20x opportunity here when this asset starts to pick up some volume. All right, it's on KuCoin. Another one here I was looking at is DFYN Network. This already got the breakout here. We got the break back up to 7.2 cents or 72 cents. Pulled back a little bit there, right? And I think this is another one that is going to do really well. Another one here is Covalent in this nice downsloping consolidation pattern. This one I think has a really good use case, and I think lots of governments are going to end up using their data here for tracking Uniswap trades, okay, and all the decentralized trades. You can set up an API to track all your wallets with this asset. Really cool project. And then of course we have all the DeFi coins that are taking off right now. I don't know, Robert. You might need to go do some research on that. I'm just looking at patterns and charts, guys. That's all I do here at STP, and I know you guys appreciate it. That's why you guys are on the stream today. So thank you, guys. Thank you so much for the 26 people that are on today, spending their Saturday with me here on YouTube. Really appreciate that. If you guys could hit that like button, let's get those likes up. We only got 12 likes, 24 people watching. Let's get that ratio up, guys. Come on. This song's kind of depressing. Cool. How many coins are there in circulation? Yeah, I don't know. Over 11,000 according to CMC. Can you check OMG? Yeah, we can check OMG. OMG broke the trend line. We were talking about that the other day on the stream, right? There it is. There's the break. There is the break, right? This is that cup with handle structure, descending, broadening wedge structure, right? So the target, really the swing target is $30, and obviously if you break $30, we can get you some further fib extensions on this, but we'd be looking around $100 for OMG. Okay. Cool. All right. Let's look at OMG. We just looked at. We'll look at Engine coin. Take a look at Engine. Sure. Hey Ryan, happy birthday, man. Okay, yeah, so Engine, man, just coming right back above the 128 simple and the daily 21 exponential, okay? And yes, falling wedge is spotted here, right? And broke out. And broke out of the wedge. Well, let's get a new chart on this here, so we can really see what's happening on Engine coin. Let's get rid of some of these MAs. So not only is it a wedge here, but it's actually a much larger structure than what we're looking at here. Okay. It's actually a symmetrical triangle. You can see 1, 2. I mean, it came close to down here, right? Too much buying pressure. Push it. And now we're going to break out of this structure, and we're really looking at the bottom here to the top. Okay. Looking at a 400% measured move on Engine coin once you break out of the structure. So somewhere around here, we're looking at $9 or $10 for this asset. Okay. I do what I can, boys. I do what I can. I try to provide you guys the best analysis that I can without being too exuberant on Oh, what do you know? It's, yeah, it's perfect. It's like Tetris. Right to the 1272 $10 target. All right. You can see the parabola structure. If I was to draw it here, you could see the curve, what's going on in this asset, and it's going to go parabolic. It's going to go parabolic. Right there it is. You can see confluent. 1, 2, 3 touches right at the bottom of the trend line. Right. Yes, Annie, Telcoin looks good. I was looking at that yesterday. It looks really good. What was the other one you wanted me to look at here? Was it Urus? And EGLD. All right, we'll take a look at Urus. I know Urus is doing some good stuff right now. We were talking about this in March, man. For anyone that took that trade, you guys are well into the money. This asset is over $100 a coin now. Look at this. Look at this, guys. This thing went completely berserker, parabolic mania. It is definitely a great time to look at taking some profits if you guys haven't done so. This did break this neckline here. Boom, we got the break. Beautiful, 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 beautiful on this structure. Right, so just getting some quick targets here. We're looking at the next real target of $130 for this asset. So yeah, 130 bucks or 120 bucks really the next real target. And then I do suspect, you know, maybe a bit of a pullback once we're done going parabolic. We could see something like this before the last leg up. Okay. Very nice. Yes, Engine does work together with Samsung. Yep. All right. So we're looking at EGLD. Still holding the structure. I mean, this is like, I mean, yeah, I guess I could shift this a little bit, right? Still in the pattern, man. Still in the pattern for this trajectory. And you can see the coiling happening here on the daily, right? Beautiful. Awesome, Soldier. Congrats, man. So yeah, I'm targeting right around that $1,200 area for EGLD. You can see the 1, 2 touches, and right up probably to this area here against this trend line, right? Now this can kind of probably extend, right? Until we come out of this pattern. But it's on that trajectory, man. It's on that up, that last leg, that wave 5 leg up. Solana, AXS, yep. What did I miss here? Annie, thank you so much for the 5 sterling pounds. Appreciate that. I will cover, what was the asset you wanted to Telcoin? Yeah, we'll look at Telcoin. So beautiful. Right back on the 236 fib extension. We got this channel break and back test here. I think it's getting ready to rally up here again, Annie. This looks good. This looks really nice. Another channel here, definitely being respected, and maybe look a little bit of like a wedge forming here on this asset. And I think that looks really good. You can see that it's below 45. Look, guys, we're gonna go through the buy rules here, okay? Now this works for shorter term timescales. This works for longer term timescales as well. Obviously, the shorter term timescale is going to net you a result that's, you know, maybe a shorter or smaller move. Obviously, the longer the consolidation, the longer the timescale, the bigger the movement. Okay. Yeah, we can look at farm. No, IJ Money, we didn't look at ETH yet. We're going to look at ETH. We're going to look at Solana. We're going to look at some of the majors after this analysis here on Telcoin. If you guys do have a specific token you guys want me to look at and you want to get ahead of all these other requests, you guys know what to do. Feel free to hit the super chat button, or you can send some crypto. There is a link for that, okay? Excellent. So the falling wedge here on Telcoin is real. Okay, we're using this 236 fib extension. We're making this higher low, and we're making a bottom, and this could be the double bottom right here. Beautiful. All right, so you got this, and this is a major double bottom type of structure. Okay, this could lead to much higher prices for this asset. We're looking at probably the top here, 6.5, and ultimately up to 11 cents if we do break out on this asset. Okay, and I'm looking at, if you look at this carefully, you can see that this trend line here kind of extends out to this area here. Okay, cool. That's Telcoin. We're gonna go look at ETH. We're gonna cover some of the majors. So the falling wedge played out. We got up to the target, which was basically the top, right? And we pulled back, and now we're looking at a downsloping consolidation pattern that we just broke out of, guys. This is beautiful stuff. This is actually the cup with handle that we're looking for continuation on ETH. Okay, really, really, really strong here. Back above 54 on the RSI. We're in bullish territory. We have 30 people watching. Thank you guys so much for joining today. If we get up to 100 viewers, we're talking about giving away 1 free month of crypto alerts to the first person that comments on the stream, or after the stream, rather. We did look at BTC earlier, my man. It does look pretty good. We might see a back test of that 45K area. You can scroll back to the beginning of the stream if you guys are just joining. All right, make sure you guys smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and tick the little bell. Excellent. So yes, ETH looking pretty good. We're targeting back up to this $4,000 area for ETH once we do get this real breakout here. I think sometime next week is what I'm projecting, really. And yeah, this is more of a clear chart. You can see this downsloping consolidation, and we're breaking out of this channel right now. This is the time to be buying ETH, right? Channel break, back test, and rally, right? This is what's going on here. Perfect. This is a perfect downsloping channel. We got the breakout and the back test. Okay, this is the time, guys, to harness your long positions. This is not financial advice. Okay, but when you break a channel like this and you back test it, we're gonna see some fireworks here. All right, we're gonna see it. It's gonna happen. Would I enter the ETH trade right now? It really depends on your base order size and your size of your trading account. Never risk more than 2% of your trading account on any trade. Doesn't matter how good the technicals look. Always keep that in mind. Risk management is priority number one. And yes, if I was to be taking a lev trade, I would be definitely looking to enter this. Come back down to this $3,300 area on the 15-minute chart for an entry. Okay. Definitely want to see some consolidation again before the next run on ETH. All right. Excellent. So that's ETH. Solana. Solana falling wedge breakout. Right, we got the break. We're now looking to test back up to the $200 area. This is looking really strong, guys. Looks really strong. We haven't even started creating positive momentum yet on the daily. We're about to get a cross up here on the MACD. You can see the negative momentum weaning off. So I think big moves to come here for Solana coming days. All right. Excellent. Crypto Soldier, thank you so much for the $5 super chat, man. I didn't see that. Thank you so much. Appreciate that, man. VeChain. Yeah, we can look at VeChain. Beautiful. We covered this chart last stream, and it was a work of art, man. Right, this major trend line respect here. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches along this buying. This is the buying line. Okay, this is the buy zone. All right, so we got this bounce here. Obviously, this is another type of falling wedge. We crashed right into this trend line and got a nice reaction off of it. And I do suspect we come back up to this neckline, which is around 15 cents, and test this trend line. And most likely probably break it, right, confirming this bottom and double bottom, high or low. All right, so putting in a bottom here is what I'm saying. So it looks very strong. Looks very strong. Okay. Excellent. Did I miss any other tickers, guys? We've been live for about 25 minutes. Thank you guys so much for joining. Yeah, we'll take a look at DXY. We're going to look at the USDT dominance. The USDT dominance is on its way down, man. We got confirmation of that yesterday when we broke this trend line. We were talking about this since the 27th of September and how it looked like we might do something like that. And we got it to play out, man. It's playing out right now. And Bitcoin's on the move, right? Yeah, we can look at H-bar for you, Steve. Sure. Nice wedge breakout. We even broke the target. We made new all-time highs. Again, nice trend line here. Nice buy line, trend line here. You can see it's clearly respecting this. Very clear. Okay. Yeah, I mean, H-bar, we're looking at a $1.40 target. Okay. Looks very nice. Daily hidden bullish divergence. Right. Tezos and ADA, yeah, we can look at it. We can look at Dogecoin, sure. Dogecoin looks good here. Awesome, Victor. Glad to have you, man. Glad you found us. Symmetrical triangle here on Dogecoin. This is definitely setting up for a major move. You're at the bottom of it, guys. You're at the bottom of it, right? At the bottom of the structure. And from bottom to top, we're looking at a 361% measured move for Dogecoin. So 361% is going to put you right at that $1 target. All right, we've been talking about that. Tezos and ADA, yeah. Cup and handle, right? Cup with handle. This is going to break probably this trend line here very shortly. We're up 13.3%. You're breaking this 886. You're about to break this 886 fib extension. Your next target here is the all-time high, which is $12. You break 12 bucks, we're probably going to go to price discovery and into this next fib extension up here, $32. Okay, 32 bucks. Longer term outlook, longer term perspective. ADA. Yes, we can look at we can definitely look at ICP, sure. What did I miss here? Aeon and SNX, yeah, sure, absolutely, man. 88, also in a wedge, breaking it, trying to break it, showing the signs of divergence here on the RSI, right, with a low and a lower low on price, but a higher low on the RSI. That's some bullish divergence coming in, and we're going to see if we can get a pushback to this $3 target, and ultimately the 1272 fib extension, which is around 450. Okay. Oh yeah, farm. I totally forgot about that one, man. Sorry. We'll look at that one right now. Farm. Yeah, let's see if we can find more data on this one. Okay, this looks like it has some data. Maybe it's Uniswap. So kind of hard to do TA on this asset, but we're gonna do our best here. So let's get our top line here, our bottom range. Yeah, we can look at Shiba, man. Sure. It's gonna cost you some money though, man. Shiba's a complete shitcoin. Should I start pulling like a Mitch Ray $20 requests? I'm just kidding. I would never do something like that. It's crazy. Yeah, we can look at XRP. Yep. Harvest. So it's this one. Aren't these all the same? I don't know what I'm looking at, man. I mean, I think these are all the same thing, 183 bucks, yeah. So I think this is the data. Yeah, it looks like an inverse head and shoulders pattern. You can see you're at your RSI pointing back up, 46 on the daily. We're looking at a target back up to the neckline here, which is around 450 bucks. And if you break that, you're looking at a move, about another 200% measured move. You're probably going to get back up to this crazy wick high, man, around 5,000 bucks. Can happen, definitely can happen with something like this. This is a complete S coin. So yeah, maybe $1,200, $1,300 in the short term here for this asset. Okay, if we do see some major moves out of Bitcoin, which I think we will. XRP and then Shiba. So we got XRP still in the pattern, falling wedge breakout. Got it. We're on it, boys. We're on it. It's all good. All you guys need to do instead of tipping is join the SCP community, man, and just join one of the services, particularly the alert service. I think that's where you guys should start. There's obviously lots of products that we do offer that are more advanced for more of advanced traders, like our SAR indicator and our SAR VIP program. I think you guys should start off in the alert service. That's where you're going to learn the most. And in my opinion, $67 a month, you're going to make that back, no problem. You can talk to any of the folks that are in this chat right now. They're going to tell you that they've made significant amounts of money in the service for sure. All right, man. So here's your top and bottom of the range, right? You're just sitting in the middle of it, actually towards a lower tier of it, which means to me we could see a major move, and it's probably coming soon. You can see the TTM on the daily is still red, right? It's red. We're just consolidating here. Shitcoin, or should I say shitcoin? I mean, shitcoin is going to go to probably the moon. So a range break is just 60%, okay? Just if we break the trading range at 60%. I could totally see something like this. I can totally see something like stupid shit like this for this coin. Just coming right back up to the top. How do you know if coins have already reached the moon and never will again? Well, it really just depends on the volume in the community, right? So that's something you have to pay attention to as well. And really, for coins that aren't on major exchanges, like those are the coins you probably don't even want to consider buying because they're on crap exchanges. SHIB got listed on Coinbase, man, so their community is big enough for Coinbase to make money off of it. And I mean, you can see the volume receding here, and there's a big move coming for this asset, SHIB coin. I can only hodl one coin, what would it be? Probably Ethereum, man. That's TNT, right? That was some like masternode coin. Oh, you know what? I never looked at Aeon for never looked at Aeon for Tamir. Let's take a look at that. Doing it, man. Made a high or low, double bottom, high or low. Looking at 100% move on this asset, guys. 100% once you break this neckline. 100%. That's going to put you right back up to 48 cents. And that, once we get back up there, that looks like a massive cup and handle pattern, right? UFO, we looked at VeChain, man. VeChain looks good. It's going to go up. It's going to go up to like 15 cents. That's the short-term target for it. I think Cosmos was also asked about. Sorry, I missed this one. Let's take a look at it real quick. I mean, look at your demand line here, being perfectly respected. Okay, you can see the 3-day, the 2-day, the daily. Look at the bounce we got here. Perfect. 8% rally right off the trend line. This is going to break this trading range, guys. And it's going to be a big move. It's going to be a big move, bottom to top. We're looking at 53% of price appreciation. You're looking at a $60 to $70 Cosmos target here in the short term. Guys, if you want value, man, Balancer is at a value area at the bottom of the trend line, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. We got this reaction rally here, following wedge rally. We're looking at it, and this asset's probably going to go back up to this neckline easily. We're looking at 87% measured move, and you break that, it's another 80% back up to the upside, probably right back up to 60 bucks. You can almost triple your money on this trade setup, guys. Just saying. Let's get some hype in the chat. CRO, yeah, we haven't looked at this one in a while. Nice uptrend. Nice uptrend. looks like it might start to go parabolic here, right? You can see that the higher lows coming in, and we got this reaction rally right here off this trend line, right? We broke this little wedge structure right here. And so your short-term target is 19 cents. You'll probably get there pretty fast. But ultimately, your swing target is 24. And if you break 24 cents, you're looking at, from bottom to top, you're looking at about a 200% measured move. And that's going to be putting you right around that 70-cent area, or close to that $1 figure, I would say. Once we get over about 60 cents, the target becomes closer to that $1 area. All right. Okay, guys, we've been live for about 40 minutes. Thank you guys so much for joining the stream today. If you guys have any other altcoins or any other maybe stock tickers or anything you guys want to look at aside from just crypto, definitely drop it in the chat or drop it in the channel. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. Tick the little bell, join the Discord, join the movement, guys. This is the last leg of this bull market. I want all of you guys to be part of it. Definitely should take advantage of the services that we offer here at STP. And for all of you guys that have been part of the community along the way, thank you guys for supporting us. And hopefully you guys enjoyed all the content we've been putting out during this bull market for the last 2 years. And well, hopefully you guys hang around through the bear market, because that's actually the best time to build, to learn, and to grow as a trader and invest in yourself. And we're going to be looking for other assets other than crypto assets into this bear market. Okay. Yeah, we can look at GNUS, sure. Just going to grab some water here, guys. We're going to look at DOT, sure, we can look at that. Well, I had this charted a while ago. It looks like it broke my pattern to the downside. I mean, this isn't shit stock, so shit happens. Hearing and seeing this makes me wonder why I only lose money. I'm not sure, man. You have to ask yourself that. It's something you have to ask yourself. Are you not investing in yourself? Are you trading based off emotions? These are all things you need to consider asking yourself. GNUS. Let's go to the weekly. It is in the buy zone for sure. In the buy zone. I'm not really seeing too much edge here on this asset right now. I mean, you are at 31 on the RSI, bearish territory on the daily, weekly, also kind of neutral to bearish. Not really any signs here of continuation just yet. But you are in a squeeze on the weekly, and you are coming towards the bottom of this trend line, so you could get some support here as well. We'll see on this asset, but if it does continue to flag out like this, we eventually could see higher prices for it. We do get a bounce off that trend line. We could see, we could see this asset go back up to $6 to make a complete trend reversal. Okay. Or look at DOT. Not looking good, man. Holding this trend line. The weekly put in a weekly hammer last week. Beautiful candle, man. Beautiful candle. Upside targets for DOT are probably close to that $130 area, all right? That's what we're looking at. Bottom of this range to the top of this range is 378% from the top. 378% is going to put you right around that $200 area, or like I said, $130 area for a conservative target for DOT. All right, guys. USDT is down 1.22% on the day. Its low was 3.15 for the day. Yeah, it looks like it's going to continue on down at least to the support here on 309. We're going to probably see some more rallying going into the weekend. But rising wedge confirmed. It might come back up to back test it. Okay, and reject it, or it goes lower. So if you're in longs right now, just make sure you keep moving your stops up if you're in leverage longs, all right? That's it. That's the update for today. We'll see you guys tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern, for the weekly candle close. Hope to see all you guys there. If you guys, if any of you guys know anything about marketing or really how to get this channel out there more so, definitely message me, Mr. Know-It-All, in the Discord. And I'm definitely looking to help grow this channel a bit more and to really have more impact on some people. I mean, we only had 30 concurrent viewers today. I know it's a Saturday and I did it kind of ad hoc, but if anyone has any idea about how to grow YouTube channels, definitely message me. I'm interested in growing this channel as quickly as I can. All right. Thank you guys so much for joining. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. You guys have a wonderful rest of your weekend. We'll see you tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern. Thank you guys so much for joining.